What is up, you guys? Back at it again, and we are on the other side of Maui. We have completed the highway to Hāna during the night. It is possible. I do not recommend it. Like I said, dangerous animals out at night. Don't know what you're gonna come across. And also, there are some single lanes up ahead. And yeah, let's just say that the locals aren't too kindly. They got the right of way. Like, that's just how it is around here. Like, don't try to fight, because yeah, they drive Tacomas over here. That wasn't a Tacoma, but you get what I'm saying. And anyway, yeah, we're on the other side of the island, and we're heading towards Hana. And fun fact that while I was here in Hawaii, Donald Glover actually released an album of him holding a chicken Hawaiian shirt, and I think he had a Spam hat on, and yeah, and it was like perfect timing. It's just R&B on the island. I'm like, wait, what? This is awesome. Day 3. There it is. Moving. Go get it. Do not try this at home, especially if you've seen Surf's Up. You know, just don't mess with Ivan. So we're gonna mess with Ivan now, and yeah, it's hard to get out. Don't use your hands because they are poisonous. But I'm using a shovel, and it's creepy but interesting. Like, this thing can crawl with its spikes. Like, it just looks alien the way it is. It's it is. It's just terrorizing. Like, this thing's a porcupine, but a porcupine of the sea for sure. Very careful. You sure we can touch it by the needle? Like, I don't want to get peed on, man. Like, I don't need to get peed on. So I'm just being really cautious. That Peter Griffin thing with the frog. So then the next, like, one of these things is gonna try to pick me up. Struggling. There we go. Alright, what are we doing? So we're gonna dance on Ivan now, and he's gonna not be happy.
Stepped on me. Stepped on me? Are you kidding? This guy was dancing on me. I mean, just look at this. Broken, broken, gone, broken, broken, broken.
This is for my boy Shia LaBeouf. This dude is like a hydra. You cut off him, he's 2 now. Like, his spikes are still moving. You can't. This guy don't quit. In the heat of the moment, he don't quit. Even ranting about controversy, this guy don't quit.
It's actually delicious.
Ooh,
No, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding. This is delicious.
No,
try
thank
it.
you.
Just try it.
No,
Just try it.
no.
You won't try it?
I will not try
Look,
it. Your delicious
It's
is
salty.
not mine.
You want to try it? Hold this.
Bottoms
What
up.
had an eyeball on it? The meat I was going to the visit?
Grant, yep.
The other night, the sheets on it?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Fucking Alien Covenant type
I
shit
can't
is this?
watch.
It's like, this is just crazy streamed all across just crazy stream himself. Like, you good, bro? I don't think we need control. Give me the knife.
Thank you for the help, my lovely family. Or the concern.
Hey, nice job. Look at how fast these guys are going. They're like on speed. They're trying to survive.
No, I'm not gonna eat it. Spider-Man, Spider-Man. So I decided to throw the rest of that Ivan to the fishes. Turns out they're great bait. Like it's like Hank, with the meth in King of the Hill. Like these fish kept on coming back for it. They're addicted to it like meth, man. I ain't seen any fish like that since the good old days. Feast, my boys, feast.
Remember, it's slippery.
Rip Ivan though. That's what you get for messing with shiny ball. Alright, time to head back to the shore and have some Jerry Seinfeld approved breakfast. Not brought to you by Kawa. Found a pony and I don't know why, but it looks like a Sebastian. Oh, you need to brush your teeth, buddy. I pet you, but please, my boy.
Black cut.
It was too far to go by pony back to the Hāna beach. Still got ways to go, but yeah, there's much to enjoy in the scenic. So on the way to Hāna Beach, there's a lot of waterfalls and famous bridges that people used to stop on, like honeymooners stop on, tourists stop on, but it's become a problem. So now it's hard to access them now. And let's just say I wasn't supposed to find my way down there. So I took the old route. There was an old trail there. It's kind of decayed and ruined, a little bit forgotten. But I knew after it is a sacred place. It's a beautiful place, and you gotta be respectful. And I believe they use these waters for baptizing for their tradition, for their culture, at least the native Hawaiians. So I can enjoy the flowers, but not stepping a foot or not even a toe, not even a skin cell into that water. And if I happen to have slipped on a rock, I fell on a rock, but not into the water. Like I said, a bunch of wet rocks. Just like this is worse than climbing like like those free climbing. I'm blanking on it right now. You know the gym. Boulder. Yeah, it's what like boulder. You got clay. The clay will help you with this. This is what this clay gonna do. Just turn down. Turn to clay. I think so. White clay. Anyway, it can't help me here. What am I gonna do? Oh, that's so. The waterfall's gonna be there sometime. I didn't bathe.
Everything. Working with the human health experts, we came up with Morning Kick. Morning Kick is a revolutionary new formula that combines all non-sugar supplements into one daily drink.
Morning Kick has probiotics to help you lose weight, prebiotics for digestion, superfoods for muscles and joints, and powerful anti-aging supplements. It'll help you feel youthful, energized, and helps manage stress.
I look and feel better than I have in years.
Go to roundhouseprovisions.com. Use code SAVE.
Continued on the highway to Hāna and came across another waterfall, another beautiful spot in the way to paradise, in paradise. Yes, what majestic views these are. Smaller waterfall, they had avocados in the tree, and I had a brilliant idea come to mind. And
You got to catch those. You got to get down there. No, you got to catch it.
it was a work in progress, let's just say that much. First we went for some berries, we'll go
Here they
for
come.
the
Oh,
avocados.
you got to be quicker. Right? Oh, come on, Chrissy. You got
So I decided to use our, well, I guess it's not homemade, but outdoors made sickle. And we tried to reap the fruit from the trees. And I cannot stress this enough. There's been nothing more that I wanted more in my life than that avocado, perfectly there, perfectly hanging. Might not be ripe, but perfectly hanging. Just imagine a Hawaiian avocado. You're allowed to take them. You can't take them off the island, but you have to eat them. And
Well, we saw a tour guide come by, and we noticed that they were avocados. And then these are strawberry guavas, these ones here, the red ones. They're really hard, they're ripe. I mean, we're not ripe yet, but
I'm fighting for my life here. Like, it's do or die. I can't. I just can't. I need my avocado. Johnny Avocados. I need my avocado. After 15 minutes, I got my avocado. Now we are at the final stretch on our trip to Hāna. The highway has been long. The fight for avocados has been brutal and soul-giving, but fruitful. Had to eat many different things on the way, except Sebastian. Shout out to my boy Sebastian. I'll come back for you, my brother. I will. I promise. I'll buy you someday. You'll be my mule. You'll see me. You'll protect me. I believe in you. My boy Sebastian. Underrated, undefeated. Best pony tricks out there. One trick pony. Deep one trick pony. Save you from death. Will speak to you somehow. I'm just rambling right now. I don't know what I'm Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to the other side officially. We have made it to the Hāna beach, completed the highway to Hāna, and yeah, no, this is a awesome spot with a historic pier as well. So the pier is rich in history, but it's kind of falling apart, decaying from all the salt and the years of wear, time. But you can see by the tracks, it was built in the 1920s when sugar was king in Hawaii, and ships would come through from the pier to carry supplies to the whole community. But now it's just like it's a casual spot for fishing, but also they jump off the bridge and swim along it. It is a good place to fish, and they also barbecue around here. Ran into a girl smoking a J at the spot. I'm like, I just looked at her. I'm like, nice. So, the famous queen who was married to the king who united the islands that I talked about in my last video. This is where she was born, and that's just incredible. I'm just knocked away. I had no idea I'd run into that here, but it actually makes sense because I think that's her statue at Hāna Beach. So, just click. But her birthplace has this incredible hike as well. It just goes to this little small, it's not a beach, it's just like, I guess rocks, no, I guess it is, it's just a rocky beach. But if this is where she was born, just incredible. They look like pterodactyls, man.